This is a spectacular event, and tonight we will present a game of hockey, a game like no other.
The shot at the Rock. Chance for Stahl. Stahl walks in, he shoots one, and the Canes have a 4-3 lead in Game 7.
Having won 9 of their last 10 games, we know tonight is going to be another great night.
It is absolutely gorgeous here at Carter-Finley Stadium. The design elements that you guys see around here is to mimic the college game day atmosphere, which of course, these guys are absolutely powering us through it here. The black, silver, and red is paying homage to the 25 years of Carolina Hurricanes hockey, of course, as well as the pennants, and actually in the Stadium Series logo as well. The Hurricanes held on for a hard-fought 3-2 victory against the Canes. They kept the wall here, but they hope in the preview bigger and better things to come here tonight. Are we ready, Raleigh? Let's cheers to you, here comes the Hurricane! Jacob!